That Billings. Let's go control. Fuck it. We ain't scared. Fuck that. Fucking newbie. Oh shit. Nào ngã đi là lục người nguyên kiên rồi gạt sang Cara gay aduh kia. I love you long. Yes, impossible. I love you. Thank you. We're good. We're good. Go eat it. Sorry, I'm going. Inte lalle Warzone. Now you guys scare me like that, bro. Yes, walaan, love siya pa lang. Castle sniper, yeah, walaan. Ay, ay, ay. It's okay, it's okay. Definitely the Angel score again. No, yes. What happened, bro? Ito na. Ito connecting. Ano infectious ah. Oh, this guy's the reason why. You tried to join us. Where the hell are you? You keep been fighting and... Oh my goodness. Mas wala para. Kaya anak ko. Hindi mo tam bin-invite Eastman. Nagmatawa ka invite Fanos. Tom. Ay, kami si Kiago. Ow, help. Morning, my friend.
Hey, my friend, calm down. What's up, bro?
Whoa, how did my team spawn in a match? I got two guys with me.
Night last night?
Yeah, it was an easy night. Yo, I got my friends spawning in a lobby. They were joining me on the on my lobby, and then they start on the match. Yeah, I can hear you. They start on the match, and I'm kicked out.
I can't hear you.
What?
Let me get more bodies in you.
You say what? What you say, man?
Yeah, bro.
Hell yeah. I say last night is easy. I said last night is easy. Easy money, baby.
First of the month, ain't shit to do.
But there's no more 15-minute.
Huh?
No more 15-minute break.
No more?
Yeah, you just work straight 4, take a lunch, and straight 4.
Okay.
I mean, it ain't bad. We walked out and smoked cigarette too. At 12, 4:30, you know, like we usually did. But not in the parking lot. We just walked out in the outbound office where the trailer parked.
Yeah.
And we all sit over there. Sorry, Billings. Anta, come down. Spawn.
Who's Billy?
That's my friend. Family too. Classmate.
You want me to go ahead and back out? It's only two of us.
Alright, let me check him if he's still here. Alright, go back out and pick him up. Alright, there we go. Alright, Billy Skull. Alright, Belly. Balligear. Where's Balligear, bro? Let me see. I know you got fucked up, Mike. That's why you don't want to play. Feelings this Tom, this my good Mexican friend. Tom, you working today?
Huh?
You work today?
No, I'm off today. I go work tomorrow.
Yee-hoo, that's what's up, bro. Come on, man.
Huh?
Hey, how many champions you say you got? 30?
22.
Alright, I got 27. It's not bad. I'm about to trying to eat that 30.
Well, let's hit that 30 then.
Yeah, I got a lot of second place yesterday, like 12 or something, bro. That's wasted.
Yeah, that means you,
Feelings ska vara
second best. Let's go stronghold.
Alright. Chill out, chato.
Stronghold. At keys.
It's all good. They're searching. They're gonna come.
God damn it.
I thought you say, oh, you here.
Who died?
Spillings. He was fighting somebody up there. Maybe my graphic is like this, bro. It's by loadout or something, bro.
I only got $13.
Yo, 15, bro. That's 15.
You talking to me like cash.
You know what I mean?
Give me that. I just picked up the bag, though. Give me that. Anybody like that right there?
Wait, why did I run so slow? Like, what the fuck?
Billy's trying to come grab this.
Oh, that's why? Why I feel like I hear some people in the water, bro.
You probably do, man.
Yeah, he's right there. I ain't lying. Look.
Oh, somebody's going past me.
Hey, where are you trying to run to, bro? You funny as fuck.
Boy, he tried to dip past me, you see?
He just runs straight behind you.
He did, bro.
He's like, he said, I ain't see nobody.
I didn't. I saw his ass run past the bullets was coming out his ass.
Yeah, I'm going up for bounty. Let's go crap. Hey, they're here. Fuck!
Yeah, him down.
Damn. How the fuck you know I'm coming? Like, motherfucker. Oh, they saw us. All 4 of them is watching us, bro. Just sitting on that building and watch us. You're crazy. That's some goofy shit. Oh, you got something. Hey, they're dropping right there on the buy station too.
They're right here in this fucking house. Yeah, I was coming for you, bitch. Hey, right there. Man, he's in that window. I'm coming. Don't worry about that, mama.
They're coming.
Oh, I'm coming.
Oh, fuck! Tom, what the fuck you doing, bro?
I broke my leg.
I swear I saw this guy just jump and broke his leg, bro. Yo, why you run so fast? No, he cheating or something, bro. That motherfucker runs so damn fast.
Look at them bullets, bro. What bullets is them? I'm always down by them bullets, man. Look. He can't shoot.
Who's that?
Keys.
No, bro. Alright, this
What happened to that?
That motherfucker shoot me out of the sky, bro. You know he's bullshitting, bro. Look!
I got LT right here to shoot me. This is my first game, okay, bro? Calm down. hungry as hell.
Come on, cook some chicken. Come on now. I know you got that chicken on your freezer or something. Damn, that gun. We're fucked. Like, what's going on?
Oh my god. Like, I just got fucked, bro. I had to die for the gas.
Hey. Fucking shot.
Man.
Yes, Lupin Kiego.
Hey, my friend.
What the fuck? Man, Lupin Kiego, man.
I got to think my character, but I think it's my character.
Yeah, I think it's my character too. Wait. After I used that motherfucker, I've been fucked up, bro. When I switch my character to that motherfucker, dude, I'm fucked up.
Good pot shot.
Now I'm going back to the clowny times.
Hey, my friend.
Chill the hell out, one.
Don't start, motherfucker. Cause you play like these some goddamn shrimp and marshmallows for cereal.
Yeah, I got like 3 jars of cereal on my house again.
Yeah, I know. Some noodles and cocoa, motherfucker.
Yeah, you know we love that Cocoa Puff. Without that Cocoa Puff, I'll be struggled.
Hey.
I feel like they take out the shotgun, bro. The shotgun is not that. I don't know, I'm gonna try it. Yo, if I'm lacking again on this match, I know Dom is the reason why, bro. You know, the last time we played good. Swear I need a win.
Is there?
What the hell are you eating, Dom?
Maybe some smoked sausage.
I know you got that barbecue sausage.
What?
The barbecue sausage? Hey, bro, come on, bro. They sell it at Walmart.
Nah, I don't do no barbecue sausage. Got some jalapeno cheddar smoked sausage.
Oh, yeah. So peppers, bro.
And then I might go downstairs and watch that new Joker movie here in a second.
What movie?
Huh?
What kind of movie? Like
The new Joker
action?
movie.
Oh, Jumper. Oh, shit.
Joker.
Oh, Joker. What the fuck? Joker?
Yeah, my friend. Batman Joker.
Hey, yo, no, I ain't no watching no damn Batman.
Robin,
Fuck
Catwoman, DC motherfucker.
Fuck Batman, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That motherfucker, like, he won't turn. We gotta make a move. Shut the fuck up, Batman.
What's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you? Oh, tater tie head, motherfucker.
I mean, I like Spider-Man. Or Superman.
I know you like Spider-Man. You like Wonder Woman too, motherfucker. Shit. Well, I like Spider-Man.
Ain't no damn Batman, though. That motherfucker
man talking about. I like Spider-Man. Yeah. Sound like you want to like Spider-Man, motherfucker.
Batman is the only motherfucker I ever watched.
I like Spider-Man. I'll let you do. Well, you know, I may not see you at no kid events. Boy, you like Spider-Man.
Hell yeah, I like Spider-Man.
I bet you do.
Look, I killed that dude. That dude just waiting for me to kill him. It's okay. Yes! Fuck! That guy have loadout.
I like Spider-Man. I can't believe you said that, bro. You don't like Spider-Man, you like Peter Parker.
I like,
You like his
Lord
name,
of the Rings.
Peter Parker.
I like Star Wars. You know what I mean? Like, ain't no damn Batman. We got to make a move. Fucking Batman ass, bro. I swear to God, he's a creepy ass.
Come on over here, purple. They help you, man. Come on, help green. Green got it. Oh, green down.
Yeah, I don't want to die.
Yellow, green.
No, I don't want us to be white.
You don't want to die.
No, I don't want us to be white.
You can't bring your scary ass.
You mean that?
Oh, you bring your little scary ass. I don't want us to die. I'm sick of you. I'm dead, bro. Look, you right there.
Yo, come over here. This is a good spot.
You right there. Oh, they both right there. I just marked 2 people. Well, this is why I play solo.
Yo, bro, come over here, cuz.
You over there trying to cut grass and shit.
No, I'm trying to buy a loadout, alright?
Where you at? Oh my
The
god,
loadout
bro,
is the number one, bro.
Look, it took me out the sky.
If I were you, come to my side.
Squad mates back on station. Good work. All squad members are in the safe zone.
So you over here hiding and shit.
Hey, Shando, go already. It's time to go to school. Look, a little bit more, and we got a loadout. Give me your money, bro. Let me bite, let me bite, let me bite.
Somebody's here with us. Hold on, bro. Man.
Don't worry, I got him, bro. Damn, what the fuck?
Told you somebody's here. Oh, you think it's funny? You want my $710? Talking about buying a low out looking at. Motherfucker, you can't even buy a soda.
Yo, what the fuck, Luke? Look at him, dumb. You got locked by the loot.
Oh, you crazy. Hey.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that shit. The loadout fucking landed on him.
Oh shit, yeah. Ammo depot.
Hey, it's fire sale or something. Oh, nice enough.
Somebody bucking at us. Let's go.
Here.
Go team.
You trying to do good? See? You gotta run behind me, Tom. Don't go nowhere, bro. Come.
What?
Let's go by station.
Make sure we open up everything so the enemies can't get it. I want them dead.
Going up with you guys.
Aerial recon's gonna pass right over you. Relocate, Pronto. Get moving.
There's a shit ton of ammo.
Surveillance has scanned you. Your location's exposed.
Your mama's compromised weakling.
Supply cache locations are resecured. Lost that contract. Enemy UAV in the area.
Are y'all on the roof?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, your squad's in the safe zone.
Oh, motherfucker right here laying down, weak ass nigga.
Yo, why you go over there, bro? You're gonna come right now, don't worry.
Oh, I want him dead.
Yeah, both of them.
Reinforcements inbound. Hostiles deployed Watch the skies. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
Tom, you see how we do that? Tom, why you keep going down, bro?
Let me focus.
Gas is moving.
I like that.
Hey, my friend, calm down, okay?
Yes. Isn't ready?
Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
That guy keep dying and then he just left.
Sales over. Adjusting pressure. Squad mates located on each
Only 17 left.
Area objective complete. All targets eliminated.
Hey, one down. Yes, two down. Fuck. It's okay. Fucking this scared as fuck.
I'll just that.
They're not cute, they're scared. There you go. There you go. Down! There you go, Billings. Hell yeah. They have white. They're out of there, bro. I know this sucks, because they were riding. Tom, it's because of our character, for sure. Make us move so slow. There's a sniper on top. I shot him. Nice, I'm going for it. Motherfucker tried to sleep up there. Nah, you died, bitch! What are you trying to do, bitch? I'm trying to come back, bro. Hey, people is over there.
Watch out.
Hey, one down. Break. One shot. One shot. There's only two left. One left, bro. They're right there. Two left. That's it, two. Tom, did you die?
Yeah, I died.
Damn.
Billings, oh my god, there's a whole team.
You by us, though.
Oh, I'm back. They won't let me win.
That motherfucker RPG me, bro.
And he did you like that? Shot a rocket at you, nigga?
Look at that shit. Oh, I swear I thought we were gonna win.
Hey, my friend.
With your one kill, my friend.
Looks like you poked the bear. Let's get you back home.
Huh? I had more than one kill, bro.
Yeah, you got one kill, bro.
Oh, we tweaking. Bro, you see them assists, though? Like I was helping the team.
No, you good. We need that assist, yeah.
My job is to help the team, not to outdo the team. No, I'm a team leader. My job is to help the team.
Yes, sir.
Not outdo you. You know? So, therefore...
Yo, bro. We almost win again, bro. Like second, a lot of times. Hmm? Come. Where? Huh? Yumna det mo. Ayakta yun al. Uy, kadar şık beğen. Tasan da reis. Tamam. Na meme. Yo, why you cancel that? Whatever. Oh, it's too late.
I got canceled.
Alright. I think there's not enough player.
Hey, but look, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here and I'm gonna go ahead and eat Uzi. I'll hop on. Get
Alright,
some sleep.
well, that's what I'm doing right now.
Alright, bro.
Alright. Why you started up though? Yo, where are you, bro?
Hey, tighten up with that big ass bowl of cereal, man.
Hey, go there, back up. Show that buildings. So lang ha. Kasi start yan nakalaga. Mama.
Dropping into the area. Deploying shortly.
These are my firm ones.
Resurgence. Stay alive to keep your squad in the fight. Team leader. Got their attention.
Hey. Well, let's see. Kaya in second place, bigyan nga tapong ka. Kumuslain siyak. Eh! Nixon eh.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Get ready. You're redeploying.
Ayo paing. Eh, the fuck? Tapos lang mait. Mait siya niya uy venue kayo. Yeah, me too.
Hostile counter UAV overhead. Hostile mosquito is online. Redeploying. Well done.
Get shook feelings.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Nó bắt càng lên đi leo. Em lên nặc xí lợn.
Gas is inbound. You've got reinforcements inbound.
Somebody sweet. You fucked up, you fucker. Hit the thing. Crowd ni माझे का दिल भी है इधर ना.
All right. Maps updated with all future safe zones.
Wait for mommy. Mommy bring more. Pull up, boo. Why I cannot hear you? No, I'm not near release.
Friendly loadout drops on the way. Enemies dropping into the AO.
That's some loadout there. Yeah, without that loadout, I'm fucked.
Aerial surveillance is up and at 'em. Use your TAC map to circle there.
Sao anh vô đây? Không. Bring food. Come center.
Thì wanna đây cái anh kia mà bánh. Hết rồi lan kia gặp nhau là cái lời một quỷ. Ai da, cái thứ nào bước lên những anh phải lọt nó này đi vậy. Copy.
Squad mates redeploying. Well done. Path of incoming patrols. Get out of there, soldier.
Wake up, patrol, Carlo Pichus. Wala ang game tayo lang dinlom din ba? Lan zoom ni roll. Tayo malu pero.
Matulu pa din.
Hindi.
Tanga song fun nhớ. Ni siêu mà chung cái lần mình lên. Is còn với kia bao nhiêu vậy? Cháu long bất kể.
Mortar support incoming. Mortar strike on the way.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
I'm in.
Alla voglia. Tao sợ kill me. He means a lot of shit.
Come in.
Hey, they come over here or something.
Got reinforcements inbound. Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
Yeah, we have to go up.
I'm preserve.
Copy that.
No.
What?
No.
You want what?
Losing ground. Move it.
Coming out, coming out.
Enemy movement in the AO. Enemy movement. Enemy movement in the AO.
Squad's in the safe zone.
Getting lit up.
Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal. Your squad mates redeploying. Well done. Go get your revenge. Deactivated. This is the end game. Supply crates are restocked and mines can load up now. Positive ID on the bounty targets. Hunt them down. Got gas moving in.
Friendly precision airstrike inbound.
Some of your squad's outside the safe zone.
Won't move. I put a PA on him. Come inside prison.
Your eyes up for prime contracts. You'll earn more money for your bag.
Oh, don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.
Gas is inbound.
Oh my
We're
goodness.
still standing. The enemy took that one. We'll get them back.
That shit gonna be turning me on. Look. Man. Conference meeting.
soldier incoming. Check your weapons, check your gear. We're holding for deployment. Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets and bring them back afterwards.
Mark.
Alright. Something strong. Easy pala yun. Tutol ka pa ugat na.
Dropping some armor.
Dad, that dress up.
Eh, dali yan.
Enemy movement in the AO.
UAV pop.
Recon at my location.
Ay nga ba yun?
What? Yeah.
Okay, you're...
Squad is down. Stay alive to bring them back. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Kapilov, singajuga. Layak na pieng. Uwe. Love sing tu na lang tangal ya, liga sing. Oi, kalau sian. Ave, let's sing tu na lang.
Hostile mosquito is
Papi
online.
ko.
I'll pick up.
Niel. Well damn. Ay bay batangal ya pe.
Lagi low down.
Oy mo pa na ngayon. Masih pakai ini. Wih, lagi semua lain. Masih sian na. Tahan tim tu kau jaya pasti lawan. Oh, lagi.
You got reinforcements inbound. Your squad made it to the safe zone.
I can't
Oh shit.
Ay, gusto mo. Di ba lang?
Loadout drop headed your way.
Vale.
Tell on a new target.
Ah,
Wadi ba root mo? Eh, frick! Walan ki! Tara, sinlu ka pa room nga.
The enemy lost track of you. Good work down there.
Uy, shotgun yun, di ka pa bang sumiga. Magic na rin.
Earn this.
ay sita.
Uy, wala. Nagkatlaga naway.
Contract failed. Objective lost.
Hele fuck yeah! Hatro! That's not suck, man. What the fuck? Not dying, no may again.
Laugh no nga dude.
Armatario. At naman niya nga rank kan kila na nga lang uwi na. Tuwi.
Hey, my turn. My turn.
Whisker connecting your battery. And there you go.
Check your gear and weapons. We'll be deploying shortly. Enemies dropping into the AO.
much loom. We pissed off.
Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster. Alright, soldier, mark a drop point for your squad and go get after it.
Alright. So let me get beer. Let's get this game. She was gonna know when.
Hostiles deploy them.
Well, come here, that's all right. Now, not to the Nadia Lagaria school.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Fucked up, motherfucker. Hey, lange, laatste. Laat mij doen, man. Nee, dan had ik hem. Kijk pa. Wat dan? Ganda mo ito, tol. Kami, mosquitoes kun ga ni mega sok na cheese Yo, mosquito, what the fuck? Mosquitoes tuan da. Neta nu chưa bao người. Atin tada ako dan molo tao.
Enemy buy station incoming.
Let's
It's all on you. Stay alive for your squad and redeploy. Hostile advanced UAV deployed.
I need launcher ammo.
Magdan.
Closing in. Time for mission. You're redeploying.
Nãy nga mas ke room na siya. Nie pekli.
go back the loader.
Gecko. Chạy sinh rồi ta. Phải biết phần du mẹ anh. Phần du mẹ. Mẹ xin vào gặp feelings. Come Mason. Come out. Knock it Jayla. Be good at school, okay? I love you. Alright. Mason, you stay with Daddy, okay? Go use mommy phone. Bye, Yumina. Bye. Shoot, shoot. Hey, be your phone, do man.
Here.
Rogue signal broadcast.
Yes, kijk, allemaal verloren hoor. Hoe zit dat in je zon?
Mission is to decrypt the signal by causing the most damage to enemy squads.
Ben je hem vaak hè? Tao gần này giờ nên chỉ Marky.
Nice skin kaya guys. Enemy movement. Ayun.
We're outside the top squad. Let's push.
뒤에 미세.
It's yours. Stay relentless and secure a victory.
난 기에. Nói chim vạc cơ. Ê. Tao hẳn thì cứ nó mà vàng. Hey, go use mommy phone. Where mommy phone?
Huh?
Where mommy phone?
I don't know.
Go find it. In the room.
Get ready to receive coordinates for a valuable weapon crate.
Bắn nó
Gas is moving.
Đấy.
Sadai. May chưa đâu cơ.
Yeah.
25 are left. Stay sharp out there.
Đây, nó kìa, zip play này.
You're the last one standing, soldier. Survive until your squad.
Muat ngaya tengok je duit. Iya. This way di madu deng. Để phát nó rồi. You're close. Kia nó per.